Good morning and welcome to the 10th edition of IEIE Open Seminar. Truly today is a monumental day because finally after a gap of several months the industry has got an opportunity to be back together on one platform. And what greater moment because today IEIE is also celebrating 15 years of its glorious journey. Exhibition Showcase is proud to be the media partner of IEIE Open Seminar, and we will be covering this event, talking to various delegates, taking various interviews and showcasing to you the strength of this event. So come with me and let the fun start.
जलधितरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय
collectively leading to furthering the cause of this sector. As this association, we will continue to progress with our vision of establishing vital roles.
So it's very important that we engage with the government very closely now. India is an ever-evolving story, and whenever we had international delegations coming and say, what can India offer when you compare it to China? My regular answer was, India is an ongoing story. India, we've yet to achieve a lot, which means if you're part of this ongoing story, you have a business for you, you have friendship for you, you have future for you.
So I'm so happy that the IIA Open Seminar is happening here, and this is happening after almost 20 months of the COVID impact. It's great to get everyone here on face-to-face basis. It's a wonderful opportunity, and more than 150 people coming from all over the country to have this conference. It indicates that people have the resilience, and the industry is going to really come back to a good shape. So Exhibition Showcase is excellent, brings out not only what's happening, but also the actual case studies and some of the best practices, and then also what people need to focus on. The issues are brought to the center stage. So it's doing a great job.
It's such splendid to see the colleagues back in action. It's been a very difficult time for all of us, but I think we have shown the resilience. We came together, supported each other, collaborated.
It's a great event. It's organized very well. It's brought together people from different organizations. It's almost like a kickstart, I understand, for the exhibition industry. Congratulations to the organizers.
It's an excellent opportunity once again to meet all industry friends at one place, and I'm very happy that IEIE is able to organize this. It's very creditable for Exhibition Showcase to continue instilling that confidence and motivating industry people through its publications throughout the pandemic days.
It's nice to be here in the IEIE Open Seminar after a long time, say after a new normal now, and we are happy to connect with the industry colleagues
और जैसा प्रेसिडेंट ने बोला कि हम सिर्फ एक एसोसिएशन नहीं है, हम एक फैमिली है और हमें खुशी है कि 2 साल बाद हमारी फैमिली सब दोबारा असेंबल हुई है यहाँ BIC बैंगलोर में.
The best thing about the seminar is you are able to meet all the industry colleagues, industry captains, and more importantly, it becomes a networking ground for the entire exhibition industry.
The whole industry has come together from the exhibition side, the organizers, the venue providers, the service providers, and I think it's a great experience. The number of subjects discussed, the type of subjects discussed, I think are really giving some clear direction to the future of the exhibition industry.
I am glad that we got more than 200 participants, both in forms of delegates from the exhibition industry, from the conference industry, from the service providers and many other segments of the exhibition industry in toto.
And I'm really glad to attend this IIA seminar, especially during current times, which are really challenging for the industry as a whole. And I appreciate the effort of the association because it is more than a seminar, it is a confident building measure, which is must at this point of time. I would also like to appreciate Raghav for his constant effort of putting the issues of the exhibition industry, being one of the leading, I would say, publishing house for the exhibition industry.
I'm happy to be here at the IEI Open Seminar. I believe this is the 15th year, and this is very encouraging for the whole industry, which was stranded for the last almost 20 months. And that this kind of a human gathering, the personal feeling, and meeting people is really more than encouraging for the entire industry. The Exhibition Showcase magazine, I would like to say they are one of the leading ones who are covering a lot of industry related news on right time, which helps the exhibition organizers and the whole industry to keep momentum with the entire industry, the technology and many other developments that are happening, which are shared by Exhibition Showcase timely. And I must encourage this particular task.
And it's great to be part of this IAIA Open Seminar finally. It's great that we are organizing this time a physical event, and it's after almost 2 years. So congratulations to entire IAIA organizing team, especially to the BIC. And what I am looking forward is to work on some basics and more on the health and safety part, which we are already working. Congrats to Raghav and the entire Exhibition Showcase team for their constant effort, regular engagement with the industry and all the stakeholders. Keep doing this good work, guys. And
this is my first time I'm coming. I think it was one of the very informative conference which has been organized, and the topics of discussion were also very nice, and I really liked the conference which took on employee empathy. It gave us quite a few insights.
Great to catch up with old friends, colleagues from the industry, meeting after such a long time of nearly 24 months, and we had some excellent sessions today. So those who couldn't come, definitely we are virtually available, so do watch those sessions which are there. Of course, Exhibition Showcase has been always on top of it. In fact, in last 18 months, I think you probably are silent warriors for the industry, fighting out, promoting this industry, ensuring that government hear us. I think you have done a great job. To continue that job, I think you are the mouthpiece of this industry.
Everybody was waiting for this for almost 18-19 months, and we are very glad to be here. This was awesome experience, meeting everyone and helping everyone again once again.
10th IIA Open Seminar at Bangalore is a very successful event here. I am really very delighted to attend as a delegate and also member of the EC. A lot of efforts have gone into organization of the event. Even the session subjects are also very interesting. The speakers are very well thought of, selected, and the discussion level is also entirely different. I wish IIA and the exhibition industry a great success. Thanks to Exhibition Showcase for always being alert and covering the entire spectrum of the exhibition sector. Exhibition Showcase has been a very active partner on all the front with all the venues exhibition organizer and also IIA. I wish them a great success in their venture.
Hi, I'm Vivek Jangiani. I represent the past president of TITMA, the All India Toy Manufacturers Association, and I chair the Toy Sector Committee at FICCI. The toy industry depends on exhibitions every year to maintain its relationship with its whole distribution network and across the whole value chain, to introduce new products, to look at other innovative ideas on common platforms, on conferences, seminars. So it's a very integral part of the industry, and being here today shows you how far the Indian exhibition industry has really gotten. It's become a lot more professional, and even the venues and the infrastructure have really improved, and overall been very happy to be a part of the program here.
This pandemic has taught us how to join hands, how to go for collaborations, how to go for more cooperations. Yeah. So this is what exactly the 15 year of IIA has been.
It's great to be back in IIA Open Seminar. We have been coming all the years. At HITEX we have hosted a couple of successful events. It's a pleasure to be back in the business and connect with our old colleagues.
It's a great feeling that we could all meet in person after a gap of almost 18 to 24 months, and the whole industry is there, and I'm sure you are hearing the buzz around. So I'll also like to thank Exhibition Showcase for really great work in keeping the mood of the industry really positive. You've done brilliant coverage of all the events which took place, and you are here today. So thank you, Exhibition Showcase. Keep again the flags of the Indian exhibition industry high, and well done.
Yes, and we are very hopeful that the coming year 2020 is going to give us a lot of opportunities to organize small and medium or big exhibitions in the country at all the places, because there is going to be the boom in the economy.
I am very much honored today to having encountered this unbelievable event.
The show has been phenomenal, and this is what we were looking for interacting with all our major organizers. About Exhibition Showcase, you people are doing a phenomenal job for bringing all of us together and for doing a phenomenal contribution during pandemic also and post-pandemic also for the exhibition and the MICE industry.
Now to talk about the event that's happening, I'm so happy to be a part of this association. This association has been doing some excellent work.
यहाँ पे सारे लोग मिल गए हैं, जितने भी इंडस्ट्री से सेम इंडस्ट्री से लोग जो आए हुए हैं वो सारे मिले हैं, तो देख के उनको अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे, और ये बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है कोविड के बाद IEI का. Thank you.
Coming together after 2 years, all the stakeholders, and the kind of synergy that we all building together to take this entire organization and this industry to the next level is really, really gratifying. Thank you.
The exhibitions industry in India has shown a lot of resilience, and it's indeed a pleasure to meet old friends once again. 2022 and 2023 are going to be extremely busy months for our industry. The industry has upgraded, upskilled, and I look forward to more events, more activities, more exhibitions in India. Exhibition Showcase is doing a fantastic work in spreading the good word around. We need media publication which can showcase the depth of the Indian industry and tell the world that India's story is very much intact. Thank you, Exhibition Showcase.
We are very happy to be on IEA Open Seminar show floor. It is good to see everyone coming here after a gap of 2 years, coming together as a family. Those laughters, those discussions, all were missing. We couldn't do that virtually. So face to face, the whole industry is here, and it's really good to see everyone here.
We are here in Bangalore today for our 10th IIA Open Seminar, and we are at the same time involved in the reopening of the exhibition industry. Shows have opened all over, pan-India, but let me tell you today, when you see the people in the halls, the attendees, today is proof that our industry has reopened. And I must thank Raghav and his team also for being part of this reopening drive. We've all been it together. God bless everyone.
We have been able to meet all the exhibition organizers who hold their events in Parkinda.
We are glad to say that IEIA is now 15 years, looking forward for more. We look forward for all the stakeholders' support, whether it is service providers, organizers, venue. We need all your support so that we can together collaborate and move ahead.
It was much awaited program for the exhibition industry, and I'm sure that we all will bounce back after this COVID impact.
I am extremely happy to be a part of IEIA Open Seminar 2021 and would like to thank the EC members for conducting this wonderful event.
Very fortunate to be part of this IEI seminar. I think it's a good beginning for all of us. We've been waiting for this industry to open up. Industries now started opening up quite rapidly, and I think 2022 will be a big year for all of us. The exhibition showcase I've seen grow from leaps and bounds. I mean, Raghav has been at it for the exhibition showcase. I think it's a good effort from the exhibition industry to have a voice of their own.
Sessions for the day were very engaging, great exchange of ideas, constructive brainstorming on the path forward to keep the exhibition industry up and running.
And it's happy to see that everyone is bouncing back with COVID and exhibitions are coming full force.
It is a very bold step and a very welcome step, because after this cruel spell of pandemic, everyone was feeling so depressed and no one knew how the industry is going to take shape in the near future. Exhibition Showcase has been doing a brilliant job over the years, mirroring the industry problems and challenges, and particularly Raghav has been at the forefront of bringing industry problems, and he has been in constant touch with the stakeholders and sort of worked as the gateway to the global exhibition industry to the Indian market.
It's great to be back here amidst all the colleagues. This is a true sign that the event industry is so important and we are coming back.
So ladies and gentlemen, and of course the members of IEIA and the ambassadors of the Indian exhibition industry, this is your new EC sitting with the IEIA Secretariat. We look forward to welcoming you, working with us, cooperating with us in the coming next 2 years. And I can only say, together we stand and together we can. So long live the Indian exhibition industry, and we look forward to working closely with you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we look forward to great times ahead for all of us. Thank you.